What is the single worst day of your entire life? The worst day of my life? The day my dad looked at me like I was a stranger. We were sitting in his hospital room, and he kept giving me this polite, blank look, like I was just some guy who wandered in by accident. I laughed it off at first, called him old man, and joked that he needed new glasses, but he kept staring, confused, until finally he just shook his head and asked me, "Sorry, but who are you?" I tried to pull him back, telling him about our family fishing trip, showing him photos of us from way back. He listened, nodding along with this empty, polite smile, but there was nothing behind it. He didn't remember any of it, didn't even remember me. I barely held it together until I got to the car, and then it just all hit at once. Every memory, every story we'd ever shared was suddenly just mine to carry alone.